Hi guys! Today we will talk about the importance of information control. So what is an information control?
Information control. Dictators know that information management is a critical part of controlling a population. They typically achieve this by managing the media so all that people see on the news is what the dictator wants them to see. Groups also use information control.
How did information work?
In the broad sense, information control is a mechanism where the control actions are of implicit, indirect nature and the information that is given to the controlled object has the form of informative picture, which is used by the object work out an allegedly autonomous line of behavior.
Information control exists for a long time, but until now, it remains ancillary and insignificant as compared with other methods of control. In the second half of last century, the role of information control began its dramatic growth. The paper is devoted to discuss the causes of this phenomenon.
Why information control is important? Explanation about information control.
Information control is important in our daily life for the reason that it will give us the idea about the current situation all over the world. Moreover, it is important because it limits the negative information that is leaking within the society, especially on the affairs of the government and important matters such as news and information under the guidance of the government.
Okay guys, lastly, information control is important because without it, important and unimportant information will mix up and confuse everyone, especially those who are in authority of shared information. And that concludes the information control.
So that's it. That's what information control works and that's how important it is.